4-wheel drive, ultra low gears. This one seems to be in good shape. Yeah, it's an attack. Is this a dent? Oh yeah, that's a dent right there. So there's one dent in the bed. No AC, unfortunately. Interior's not bad.
Oh, I didn't even check if it had a rip in it. Nope.
No rip in the seat.
I'm gonna start it?
Yeah. Give it a little bit of gas. Clear it out. This one's running funny.
Sounds like a real truck.
This one, I think the carburetor is dirty or something. Clear it out. Let me hear it. Kill it. Alright, it's got an exhaust that I've never seen before. Alright, this one's extremely cheap, so I'm not expecting a whole lot out of this one. Don't forget, we do timing belt, water pump, all that stuff. We can do it. Come back over here. We can do it if you guys need that to be done.
Sorry.
Full oil changes, tune-ups, all that stuff is available.